are you today? How are you today? How do you feel today? Are you happy? Good? Great? How are you today? Good. Okay. Now, look at these pictures. Okay, point. Okay? Point. Where is the ship? Ship. Okay, point. Where is the ship? This picture, this picture. Where is the ship? Where is the hen? Hen. Okay, now look at this picture, okay? Let's count how many banana plants can you see? Banana plants, let's count. One. Okay, let's count. One. Okay, how many banana plants can you see?
Câu hỏi là có bao nhiêu cây chuối trong hình, con đếm số cây chuối đi.
How many? Okay, that's the end of our speaking class. Thank you so much.